guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Today's video is a continuation of my last video, which was us cruising to the Foxbody Friday meet. If you haven't seen that one yet, I'll link it up here for you guys to take a peek at. These meets are being hosted by the Toronto Foxbody Club, and they just continue to keep growing in size. So if you haven't been out to one, we got two left. We got one on September 17th, and then the season finale on October 1st. So if you're local or not, come on out, bring your Foxbody. We're hoping to have well over 100 foxes all in one place. That would be amazing. Otherwise, today's getting back to this video. Let's have a look at it. We had 70 foxes in this one, which was still amazing to see, even 70 foxes all in one spot. Let's have a look at them. Tummy scar. You guys have seen it before on my channel.
Yeah, it was.
Coyote swapped GT, super sharp.
Like all the way up. Yeah, but I know like
Yeah.
and I was getting tempted to put the.
So Mikey, 347 now?
347 big board with a big cam. Yeah, that's pretty much really changed.
Meth? Did you add the meth?
It's got the Holy dual meth kit on
Nice.
it now. See the change actually. Yeah, and it's also got a YSI.
You sure that's meth and not a little spray, a little extra shot? I'm just playing. It looks really, really good.
Hopefully the YSI is a little more robust than the no guys. And see what she does
Back
this
to
year.
whatchamacallit.
Back to Vortec, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was reliable for me back in the day.
So looks sharp, man. Looks sharp. Look at this interior. Huh.
But you got to get it.
Now I can actually see it.
Yeah.
Last time it was dark, but now we can actually see it. Mike's car. Super clean. Another super clean coupe. Man,
Come on, handsome.
how much you?
Still living.
Looking sharp?
Yeah, man.
Okay, this is new.
Yes. It's lower by almost an inch from when we saw it at your house.
Really?
See you, brother. You're looking well.
Man, well, thank you, man. I'm trying.
Well, I
Your
cleaned
beast
it today.
Your beast is looking good, man.
It dries really nice now. Everything else is here is still the same. as before.
long time no see, man.
I know, Paul.
Good, how about you? Good, man. Looking sharp?
Thanks, buddy.
And dyno is tomorrow? Thanks.
The white roof.
Oh. I think you're number 68. 68 Foxes.
You could use a nice polish on it. If you ever want it done, let us know.
Yeah, that's all right. I'll find it.
You didn't follow.
Are you taking a picture of me and taking a picture?
I'm recording you.
Somebody posted a picture of me and I looked at it and I said, oh my God.
Come on. Are we turning in now? So this is another, it's not a,
No, it's a mix.
it's a mix meat. So we're gonna have a bit of a mix. So we're gonna have some Mustangs, some imports, and it's a big one.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A ton of beautiful foxes. We had an official count of 70 present. Just a friendly reminder, we got 2 of these meets left. September 17, October 1st being the season finale. It's going to be a big event. We got prizes, giveaways. It's being hosted by the Toronto Foxbody Club at 3050 Argentia Rd, Mississauga, Ontario. It's the Superstore Parking Lot. Come on out, bring your Foxbody. We're hoping to have more than 100 plus foxes there. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, share it, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know I appreciate you watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.